Yo, baby, this is kinda crazy. I don't know what's going on. I've been thinking about this all the time. I just wish that there was something I could do to figure this out. I need to talk to you. I had a dream the other night. Something in this vision was not right. I tossed and turned and not know what to do, 'cause something was not right with me and you. In this vision I pictured you so clear, but could not tell the one that you so near. As time passed on, my spirit became weak. I tried with all my might to wake myself from sleep. I never thought that this could be. I live my life for you and me. The truth that hit me like a flash of light. These lonely feelings on a stormy night. I never thought that this could be. I live my life for you and me. The truth that hit me like a flash of light. These lonely feelings on a stormy night. Baby, can't you see? Yo, baby, can't you see? Everything I do is for you and me. Oh, I wanna hold you through the night. Every single day I go to work, girl, so we can play. Tell me, do you hear what I'm trying to say? I never thought that this could be. I live my life for you and me. The truth that hit me like a flash of light. These lonely feelings on a stormy night. I never thought that this could be. I live my life for you and me. The truth that hit me like a flash of light. These lonely feelings on a stormy night.